Hello, eco friends! Here's the recipe for my vegan raspberry rose muffins, which are perfect for your morning coffee. The rosewater adds a lovely floral note to these, and you can find rosewater at your local Indian grocery store, but I can leave a link below as well. So let's get right to the recipe. In a measuring cup, mix together plant-based milk and apple cider vinegar. You won't taste the vinegar, I promise. Just set it aside to let it curdle. Now, in a large mixing bowl, sift together your dry ingredients: flour, salt, baking soda, cornstarch, and sugar. Whisk these together. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and line your muffin with these cute reusable silicone liners, which I'll link below, or grease it if you don't have those. Now pour vanilla extract, rosewater, and oil into the curdled milk. Mix it thoroughly before adding it to the dry ingredients. Gently fold these together, but don't overmix. Some lumps are okay. Fold in the fresh raspberries. Fill your liners almost to the brim. You see what I'm doing here? Don't do it. Please don't add the dried raspberries to the top because that will inevitably burn. So don't do it. But that didn't stop me from eating them all. You can add them in as soon as you take them out of the oven to prevent this from happening. Bake these for around 25 to 28 minutes or until a small knife inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. These really rose. Get it? I can't even begin to explain how delicious these are. The floral sweetness of the rose with the delicate tartness of the raspberries. Oh my. I highly suggest you make these. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!